At kami Florida, maglaag-lag sa mi. Sugi padagan. Pinagbabawal na teknik.
Doors are now closed.
Hello, morning. Hello. Hello, Kuya, how are you?
All right.
Turn right.
If they would let us in that way,
It's so easy.
we're right there.
Oh,
We got to go all the way around. Let's see. See, now I don't know how's this open.
yeah.
That makes it a whole lot easier because we're 2 minutes. We're right there. Watch out. We got to go all the way around this thing. Yep. Just got to get real close and smack that thing on the thing, on the pad.
Wow, so jealous.
Ma, dali ma.
So this is it, our room, 7501 Helton, Florida. Wow. So muna kitchen, sala, dining table. So muna ang gawas. Nice view. Wow, Helton Hotel. Muna ang gawas. Balcony. So
you don't have to worry about it.
it's nice to fishing there.
Yeah, it's funny, probably. Imagine what's in there.
Wow, I don't think so if there's a fish.
There's so
Nice view. And then sure, condo. So may 3 bedroom, one ang first bedroom, single, what we call single bed. And so second room na 2 bed, one second room. Tapos na bathroom 3. Nice, di ba? Then ang third room kay moni siya na ay unsay tawag ani, wa ko kabaloon sa ni siya, bathtub day. Tapos na another shower room 3 with big glass. So dako kay ilahang bathroom. Then 1 bed, TV. Then mo ni siya ang connect ganiha na gawas ko. Pwede po ka makagawas diri. Wow, nice guy, di ba? Super nice. Hello mga day. I'm Jones na day. mga umitaron sa buffet. Kusina Asian buffet. But now mga day, dari may mamahaw ni unsa ni oras alauna na mamahaw mi diri sa Kizuna Asian buffet. Kizuna pala, kala ko kusina. Bliktado. Okay. So moro ni siya ang price. Hello. So, mo ni kusina day. Kita day. Sushi. See that? Sushi. Wow. Sushi. Charo.
Doon yung kuha niyo doon. Hindi siya kami na kulit kasi ganun yun.
Hello, good evening. Mga day. Kenny day. Special Kenny day. Ilay na siya glasa. Hello mga day, humana na gyud ang activity today. Ay, salamat. Pahulay na gyud mi. Tulog na, lugtoy na kay ko day. Bughoy pag yun. Ay, salamat. See you tomorrow.